7 Benefits of eating healthy food. Weight control is a common reason that you might consider eating healthily. Although following a balanced diet can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, this is only one benefit. Those who follow a healthy, well-balanced diet reduce their risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease and cancer. Aim to consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and unsaturated fats. 1. Weight loss or maintenance. Use fruit, vegetables, lean protein and whole grains to replace high-fat, high-calorie foods. Staying within your required calorie range is vital for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber in whole grains, fruits and vegetables help fill you up faster and keep you full longer than foods that are loaded with sugar. The longer you are satiated, the less likely you are to exceed your ideal calorie range. 2. Blood sugar control. Sugary foods, such as white bread, fruit juice, soda and ice cream, cause a spike in blood sugar. While your body can handle occasional influxes of glucose, over time this can lead to insulin resistance, which can go on to become type 2 diabetes. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grain bread, oatmeal and brown rice, cause a slow release of sugar into the bloodstream, which helps regulate blood sugar. 3. Decreased risk of heart disease. Regularly consuming high-fat foods can increase your cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which can cause plaque to build up in your arteries. Over time, this can lead to heart attack, stroke or heart disease. Eating a moderate amount of healthful fats such as those found in olive oil, avocados, fish, nuts and seeds helps protect your heart. 4. Decreased cancer risk. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with antioxidants, which are substances that seek and neutralize potentially damaging cells called free radicals. Free radicals contain an uneven amount of electrons, making them highly unstable. As they seek out and steal electrons from healthy cells, they can cause damage. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals by donating one of their electrons, turning the free radical into a stable molecule. 5. Support for brain health. A healthful diet is just as good for your brain as the rest of your body. Unhealthy foods are linked to a range of neurological problems. Certain nutrient deficiencies increasing the risk of depression. Other nutrients, like potassium, actually involved in brain cell function. A varied, healthful diet keeps your brain functioning properly, and it can promote good mental health as well. 6. Better mood. Research suggests that there may be a close relationship between diet and mood. In 2016, researchers found that diets with a high glycemic load may trigger increased symptoms of fatigue and depression. Foods with a high glycemic load include refined carbohydrates or simple sugars. Examples of this type of food include sugary drinks, white breads, biscuits, cookies, and cakes. Conversely, vegetables, whole fruit, whole grains and lean proteins have a lower glycemic load. 7. Improved gut health. A healthy gut or colon contains adequate amounts of naturally occurring bacteria which aids in digestion, metabolism, and overall good health. An unhealthy diet that is high in sugar and low in fiber alters the gut microbiome, resulting in increased inflammation and poor health. Eating a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes that is also low in sugar will provide prebiotics and probiotics, which allow healthy bacteria to thrive in your gut. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.